everyone, welcome back to Goms Tech Talks channel. I'm Dr. Komati. In this video, we are going to see an important free certification from Cisco that is specifically for Python. This is Python Essentials 1. So you can learn fundamental concepts of computer programming and start building coding skills with a Python programming language. It's a great opportunity. I'll be explaining how many hours it is, like whether you'll be getting a certificate, how many hours of lab you have, and everything related to this particular course. Before we proceed, I'd like to tell you that this is my channel, so if you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe now, and you can join as a member to get exclusive perks, access to the perks and the PDF books, documents, and you can directly mail me if you have any queries, if you have anything, like if you have any questions on your projects and everything. Okay, and this is my playlist, so these all are the playlists which I have created. So you can see here skill up, which is I'll be posting all the free courses and everything to up your skill, okay, like to improve your skill. So I'll be posting it here, so please watch it. Okay, let us go to the topic today. Okay, so Python Essentials. You all know that Cisco is a leading organization for networking. They have come up with a free certification course for Python, and you will also get a certificate at the end of this particular course. Okay, so here you can see the languages which are available is these. Okay, they are providing for in 4 languages, and you can see the complete curriculum here. So module 1, it is Python Essentials, Introduction to Programming, Introduction to Python, how to download and install Python, and you have to attend a test. And this is the module 2. Okay, you will be learning all about the data types, variables, operators, and basic IO. And the third one is the Boolean operation, conditional executions, loop, list, processing. These are very basic and very essential topics in Python which everyone should learn, even if you wanted to become a data analyst, data scientist, or even if you want to become a Python developer, Python programmer, web developer. Okay, Python is everywhere. You can use it for anything, even irrespective of you are a computer science student. Even if you wanted to do your research better in your field, you can start learning Python. Okay, so here you can see, and you have a final exam, so you have to submit a final project here, and also you have a final test. And once you have completed this test, you will get this badge. Okay, this is Cisco networking badge, course badge, which is specifically for the Python. You will be getting this Python essential. Okay, and you can see that this is another badge where you'll be getting to understand for every module. Okay, you can see that this is the first module. Once if you complete this module, you will get this badge, and once if you complete the second module, you will get this badge. Once you complete the third module, you will get this badge. Likewise, the module levels and badges you will be acquiring. And it is a 30 hours of lecture. It's a free, and this is for beginner, and there is 30 labs for you. You have to try 30 labs. Okay, and it is self-paced. You have to complete this. Let us see how to get started with that. So click get started, where it will ask you to sign up or log in. Okay, so anyone can do. I am just going to sign up with a Google account. Okay, or continue with Google. You can tell what is your account here. So I am just going to add. Okay, so let us wait. You have to use your account to log in. So you have to sign up with a country. So which country you belongs to, give the country correctly. Okay, and you can select the birth year. Okay, and the birth month. Okay, so you can select the birth year and the birth month, and just click continue. So you can see here, this is the first name and the last name you have to give. Okay, so whatever you're giving in the first name and last name will be considered for your certificate. So please give the proper mail ID. So your account is on hold. You will be unable to access the site until your compliance check clears. This may take up to a few days. Please come back and contact here after after some time. So now you can see here that I got this mail from Cisco, that is the compliance review of your account was successful and you may now log in. Or else just click Google, because I think we have signed in using this particular login. Okay, just give with Google and you can click I agree, I would like to receive the communication, and accept it. So this is what the first course which we have checked. So click get started, where it will take you to that particular course and you can start learning. Okay, that's it. So once you start completing it, so you can see that the very first session has started for you, that is learning Python. You can scroll to begin, so you can learn Python wherever is possible. They'll be including the video series. So you can see this is an entry level program, associate, professional, and everything related to that particular thing. And you can start learning the introduction to Python here. Okay, you can learn everything, and you have exercises, labs, projects, and everything. So all the best for your learning. Leave your comment like how you have completed. If you have completed this Python course, please leave your comment, and I'll be very grateful if you have if you are sharing your thoughts, which will be easy for others to follow and which will be like a knowledge sharing. If you have any subject, but if you are not finding a free courses for that, please let me know. I will definitely search it for you and I will let you know. Every week Thursday I'll be giving you the free courses on any specific subject where you can do it and get certified on it. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep sharing. Take care. Bye bye.